The SkillsUSA event is an important program for us where we get to see the students in over 50 programs across the state of Washington. We get to see them demonstrate their skills and knowledge that they've learned through the Core Plus programs in their respective schools.
The SkillsUSA Assembler competition is something that Boeing puts on for us each year as a business partner, and it's something that we love attending every year. Our students really thrive in this environment because they're able to partner with industry and attend an event on site at Boeing's facility and see what they are doing in the classroom come to life.
My SkillsUSA experience, I'm just so happy with myself and how far I've come since last year. Last year I placed 23rd, and this year I placed first. SkillsUSA has prepared me for a job at Boeing and anywhere really to do with aerospace or engineering.
The SkillsUSA contest is sort of a culminating project that they're working towards to be able to get first here to the contest and then to be able to do the best they can here at the contest. It's really a motivating factor for a lot of the students that I have in the Core Plus Aerospace class.
My son's Core Plus Aerospace experience has been nothing but a positive one. Coming from the deaf community and being immersed in the hearing community has been nothing but beneficial to him. He's learned to thrive as not just a student, but as a person. He feels welcome. He's excited to learn. It's been nothing but a blessing for him, and it's been nothing but amazing for us as a family as well.
Core Plus Aerospace helps students gain exposure that they wouldn't otherwise get. It's a real-life application. Students' futures look bright at Boeing because there's a world of opportunity, whether it's defense and space, global services, or our commercial airplanes division. There's plenty of opportunity. What excites me most for the students of Washington is they can grow a career right here in their home state.
Core Plus Aerospace can help me reach my goal of working at Boeing. It's an awesome class, and you get to learn so many new skills, and there's so many opportunities that come out of it.